Hi, you're on a rock floating in space surrounded by apes. Good news, you're an ape too. But sometimes being an ape on this specific rock gets a little mid, and you and bro decide you need a vacation. You look up at the stars and see this beautiful, deep blue marble. It looks like Earth. It's got the vibes of a tropical resort. And you're thinking, no cap, this is the spot. But hold your horses because this planet, HD 189733b, is a pure physical violation. If you actually went there, you wouldn't be sipping coconuts. You would effectively stop existing. And the best part, or worst part, is that the weather is literally indistinguishable from magic. Except it's the kind of magic that gets you burned at the stake. What the flip is going on here? Well, it's actually quite simple. No, it's not. That was a lie. This stuff is scandalous. Let's draw a picture of the culprit. When we look at this planet through the conglomerate of all human knowledge, aka a big telescope, it looks blue. On Earth, blue means water, vibes, and Shakira songs. But on this planet, the blue is a total fraud. See, some dudes at NASA, who probably only know regular person words but have access to the forbidden light spectrum, realize the blue isn't from an ocean. It's from silicate particles. In regular person words, it's literally melted glass floating in the air. If we zoom in, these silicates are like the little guys in your brain, but instead of being adorable little angels that help you think, they are jagged little demons. They scatter blue light because of how their wavelengths hit the electromagnetic spectrum. So the planet isn't blue because it's a vibe. It's blue because it's a giant floating marble of shattered jello. Now you might think, okay, I'll just wear a raincoat. Bro, listen to me. The wind on this planet is a 260-pound bruiser that sees red and bodies everything in its path. While a breeze on Earth is like a standard internet router, pretty chill and just moves stuff around, the wind on HD 189733b moves at 7 times the speed of sound. That's 5,400 miles per hour. That's not a breeze, that's a forbidden cocktail of kinetic energy. Because the planet is jet cruising so close to its sun, the temperature difference between the day side and the night side is an absolute zero-level threat. This creates a chain reaction where the atmosphere tries to fix the vibe, causing winds that move so fast they literally stretch the duration of your survival to about 0 seconds. Here is where things get messy. Because the wind is moving at skibidi speeds, the rain doesn't fall down like it does when you're touching grass on Earth. The glass rain falls sideways. Imagine you and bro are standing there, and instead of a nice vertical shower, you get hit by a trillion shards of glass moving at 5,000 miles per hour. It's like being inside a blender filled with diamonds and rage. It's a pure violation of the personal bubble. If I can tell what you ate for breakfast because a glass shard just flew through your stomach at Mach 7, we have a serious problem. You know what else is moving fast and hitting hard? The new War Thunder update. While you're being physically violated by glass rain, you could be immersing yourself in intense military combat on PC, Mac, or PlayStation. The detail on these tanks and planes is madness. And unlike HD 189733b, the health bars actually matter. Wait, no they don't. Because in War Thunder, every hit actually affects the vehicle like in real life. Download for free with the link in the description, or Beatrice is going to be very disappointed in you. You might be thinking, bro, you're yapping. How do we know what a rock 63 light years away is doing? Well, we use the same tech as your Bluetooth earbuds. When the planet passes in front of its star, the star's light passes through the planet's atmosphere. The antenna of our telescopes sees the colors change. If the light turns a specific purple or green, or in this case a specific blue, we know what chemicals are there. We're basically eavesdropping on the planet's conversation with its sun, and the sun is basically saying, hey, this guy's made of glass. No cap. So the moral of the story is, stay on your own rock. It's got oxygen, Shakira, and significantly less sideways glass. Science kind of breaks when we talk about these level 10 Giat planets, and honestly, it's a bit spooky. You might leave this video a little confused about why the universe is so hostile, and I'm going to be honest, I'm confused too. But it's always better to be confused with a buddy than it is to be confused alone. Your total for the exit fee is going to come out to 1 subscribe. I'm going to flip this tablet around, and you're going to tip me in the form of a like, or things are going to get really awkward.